Hi, this is Clayton from Pavement, and in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up shipping for your Facebook storefront. Before we get started, you'll need to have created a Facebook storefront. That task was explained in a previous video tutorial. Please refer back to that if you have any additional questions. To get started, you'll need to access your storefront's admin page. Click on the Storefront Dashboard button. Now select the Settings tab, and now select the Shipping sub-tab. This is your shipping settings page. Here, you can control all of the shipping options throughout your storefront. Make sure your origin shipping address is entered incorrectly. The postal code is crucial here. The next section is the shipping calculation methods section. There are a few different shipping options available. You can choose free shipping, use a table rate, and select a carrier rate. You can select one of the shipping methods or multiple. In order to enable free shipping, simply click the checkbox located next to the free shipping option. To enable the table rate, select the checkbox located next to the table rate option. Table rates allow you to set rules based on total order weight, price, or quantity. Let's go over a few examples. The system works like this. The value, the weight, price, or quantity goes before colons, followed by the shipping amount. Let's start off with total order quantity. Make sure you have the quantity radio dial selected. Here, for orders up to 5 items, I will charge $10 for shipping. For orders up to 10 items, I will charge $7.50 for shipping, and for orders of 20 or greater items, I will charge $5 for shipping. Now let's see how to set my table rate based on total order price. You'll need to make sure that you have the price radio dial selected. Here, if the order total is up to $25, the shipping charge will be $10. Orders totaling up to $50 will have a shipping cost of $7.50, and orders up to and greater than $100 will have a shipping cost of $5. I will now set up my table rate for total order weight. Make sure that the weight radio dial is selected. Here, if the total order weighs up to 5 pounds, I'll charge $5 for shipping. If the order weighs up to 10 pounds, I'll charge $15 for shipping. And if the order weighs up to 20 pounds or heavier, I'll charge $25 for shipping. This brings up a good point. How do you set your item's weight? To set your item's weight, you'll need to go to your item data page. Let's take a quick look. On your item data page, scroll down to the shipping details section. Here you can enter in the weight for your item. Once complete, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit save and continue. Back on your shipping settings page, now let's check out carrier rates. Currently, UPS and FedEx are the supported carriers. To enable carrier rates, you can select the checkboxes next to both UPS and FedEx, or just one. These rates will automatically be generated based off the item's weight and distance from origin to destination. Before advancing to the next stage, I need to set my default shipping method. Here, you will see all of the currently enabled shipping methods. The default rate will be the default shipping option for all newly created products. I'm going to change it to table rate. For my first example, I want to use a table rate based on quantity. Let me change my settings to reflect that. In order to update my table rate, I've selected the quantity radio dial and I've updated the numbers in my table rate box. I'm now ready to move on to the next step. I now have the option to update this shipping method for all pre-existing products in my store. I can do that by checking the Update All checkbox. Next is the shipping policy section. Here you can select a handling time and set up your return policy. Lastly is international shipping. Here you can specify whether you will ship international or not. You can also add an additional shipping charge for international orders. Once complete, hit save. Now let's do a quick test checkout to see the changes. I'm back on my Shop Now tab ready to do a test checkout, this time using a table rate based off quantity. Let's check out with 7 shirts and see what happens. Here you can see the table rate in action. For 7 shirts, I'm being charged $7.50 for shipping. Note, the table rate will be displayed as a flat rate shipping option. Let's go back to our shipping settings page to confirm this rate. As you can see, for orders up to 10 products, I will charge $7.50 for shipping. Now let's do an example using carrier rates. I will need to change the shipping option for my product. To do that, I need to go into the product's item data page and update the shipping settings. On your product's item data page, scroll down to the shipping settings section. Here, update the shipping rate type to carrier rate. You'll need to enter in a shipping charge fallback in the case that the carrier cannot ship to your customer's address. Once complete, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Save and Continue. I'm back on my Shop Now tab. This time I'll do a test checkout where the shipping option is set to carrier rate. Let's give it a test run. Here you can see the carrier rates in action. The customer will see all of the available UPS and FedEx shipping options. I'm Clayton with Payment, and this has been How to Set Up Shipping for Your Facebook Storefront. For additional questions, please head over to our community support page. The link is listed below.